135.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Man, your door is breaking.
Last show for this year. She's getting a whole new rendering.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Everything's coming out.
Wow. This is a 4th order, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a way you can tell me real quick before I demo what's in here, man?
415, 30, 15, 2 AAK 7500s, 320 alt.
And you built this?
Yes.
Nice.
Yep. It's been the same build for the last 4 years.
Okay. You just done modifications throughout in the box and all?
Small things throughout.
Okay.
Yep.
What was your highest SPL score you managed to pop out of?
57.9.
Wow.
At
Okay.
36.
Okay. And have you ever had windshield issues?
One windshield.
One. Okay.
Yep, one windshield. But I think it's because I already had like a rock chick down here.
Yeah.
Years ago. But
Got it. Okay. Pretty good. What's the amp wire to?
0.35.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm actually down a sub right now.
Down a sub? Oh, so one of the subs are acting up, or?
But this one right here has got core rub.
Oh, okay.
After 4 years, I think it's
Wow.
time.
Yep. Okay. So you have 3 running right now.
No, they're running still.
Okay, got it. This needs to be changed. Okay.
Well, they're all coming out. I'm probably gonna upgrade and then do the recodes on these.
Okay.
It's for like 26 with window up, and then it's all the way up into the 50s.
Yeah.
And then so
Awesome,
the next rendering is gonna be more power
More power.
and
Wow.
bigger doors.
Okay. Same vehicle?
Yep, same vehicle.
Okay. Can I see the amp in the back?
Yeah.
Wow. Have you had any issues with the amp ran down that?
Never.
Never. Okay.
Knock on wood. Knock on wood.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Never had any issues with it.
And this was built all the way in back to the back.
Yes.
Wow. Are you planning to change the structure of the box?
Everything.
Everything. Okay.
Every single thing's coming out.
Okay. Got it. Big project. Okay. All right, man.
Hey, man, have a good one.
You too.
Check it out on JacobViral Civic on YouTube.
JacobViral Civic YouTube. All right.
Alright guys, we got JacobViral in the house.
What's up?
Let's go.
Demo time.
The sun sets. I'm driving down this road again. On this chance, 'cause all my
made me sneeze. The pressure is awesome, man. Awesome. And it's really bandwidth musical everywhere. So,
yeah. It's from like 26 with window up, and then it's all the way up into the 50s.
Yeah.
And then so
awesome,
the next rendering is gonna be more power.
More power.
And
wow.
bigger doors.
Okay. Same vehicle?
Yep, same vehicle.
Okay.